What are you doing to gain ground while supersizing and growing your business, or to help you supersize and grow your business? Our idiom today is to gain ground, and this has been around since the 1800s. It literally means to make advances, to make progress, which is what we're talking about in this year's annual challenge today. Get Your Goals Annual Challenge. We're going over the SOAP framework, which is a framework that I've used since the pandemic, usually before the pandemic, but I started calling it the SOAP framework in 2020 and started teaching it because it is the fastest, easiest way to deal with any challenge, problem, setback, obstacle, thing that you feel like is outside of your control, but how are you going to manage it for you? And the COVID pandemic was a perfect example of that. And basically, I just thought about how do I deal with challenges, and then I came up with an acronym, which is SOAP, which also applied during the COVID pandemic because we were washing our hands a lot and wearing masks and all those kind of things to prevent the spread of the dreaded COVID virus. So that's a topic for another day. But what does it mean? This idiom literally comes from armies taking territory, literally taking more physical ground from their enemy. It's when we are providing more value, when we're getting business from the competition, when we're serving more people, when we're stronger or achieving more, that is helping us to grow and build and scale our business. Now, how do we go about doing that? Well, we do it by getting attention through our marketing efforts, through a lot of the 15 things we talked about yesterday, having a sales funnel, doing a webinar, providing value, doing events, community outreach, networking. There's all kinds of ways that we can become known, building our brand, social media. I could go on and on. But my question for you today is, how are you doing that? What are you doing to gain ground, meaning move forward, make progress toward achieving your goals and objectives for supersizing and growing your business? All of us have goals for building and growing and supersizing our business. Very few of us have no goals when it comes to our business. We have sales targets, we have numbers, we have key performance indicators, we have milestones that we want to hit in order to achieve what it is that we want with our businesses. And it's a little different for all of us. I know when I first started getting involved in businesses, it was because I wanted another stream of income. I was working in corporate America and I'm like, I like this, but it gives me such a great sense of freedom to be who I am and to do what I know is right personally and professionally when I have another source of income. I'm not so dependent on my job or the situation to make sure I'm feeding my kids that I can do what I know is right because I know I've got a backup. That's why I originally started doing businesses. And my goal was just to have another stream of income. So it wasn't necessarily to build and supersize and impact a lot of people's lives, make the world a better place like it is now, because that is my intention now. So share in the comments below how you go about making progress, gaining ground in your business, in your industry, in serving your customers and getting attention, whatever and however you do it, so that we can learn from one another. That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Go gain some ground today.